Hello guys, this is Ajit Amanat here with another video. Today I am going to be talking about an app called Free Litecoin Spinner. With this app you can earn free Litecoin or LTCs. Okay, so let's go. The download link will be in the description below, so check it out. Okay, so let's go. First, all you have to do is go inside and give a valid Coinbase email address. You need Coinbase email address to get payment. Oh, by the way guys, also if you join here you will get 500 latoshis for free. So let's go. All you have to do is go inside and wait for some time, and then here spin, there is a spin here, click on it, click on the spin. Now wait for some time to add for the ad. You have to wait for the ad. Okay guys, here is the ad. You don't need to watch the ad, just go away from it. But if there is a video ad, watch it. Like this way you guys have to watch all of, you can spin and earn latoshi for free and watching it. Oh, by the way guys, also if I mention that it will take 2 to 3 days for your payment to get, click on the three strip lines here. Click here guys, uh, here on the three strips. Okay, then here is claim now. See, they says to prevent people spamming, you can only claim once every 3 days. Would you like to continue? It means that you can only claim every 3 days, and it will take 1 to 2 to 3 days to get the latosis in your Coinbase account. Okay, so it do take some time, but they pay. Okay, they pay, and you will get 5,000 latosis instantly for joining. So give a valid Coinbase email address guys, I should remember that. And that's it. All you have to do is spin, watch some ad, and earn latosis. This is all guys. I am Adit Amanat, and I will see you next time on my another video. Sorry guys, I cannot see you on my, I will show you guys. Okay, so like and subscribe, comment, share. Okay, bye, see you later guys.